Hi, let me quickly take you through the assignment that I gave this morning in class on how to search for a gene on the NCBI database. The first thing I asked you to do was to type the website address www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. We wait for the site to open. So you're welcome to the site. So the easiest way to go about it is to type the gene notation, which is BRCA1, the gene we are interested in. Hit your search enter button. We can see that we have several options. We have the literature option where we have books talking about BRCA1. We have National Library of Medicine catalog also talking about BRCA1. We have PubMed articles. These are articles that also talk about BRCA1, and we have the PubMed Central. One thing I'd like you to note is that all articles in PubMed Central are free. For some of the articles in PubMed, you may have to pay for them. But what we are interested in is the gene of BRCA1. So I'd rather just go to the gene and click on gene. This table comes with several options. You can see BRCA1 DNA repair associated, Homo sapiens, human. We also have BRCA1 early onset, mus musculus, which is the house mouse. We have BRCA1, which is DNA repair, Ratus norvegicus, which is Norway rat. We have BRCA1, which is Canis lupus familiaris, which is dog, and some other organisms under this table. But we are interested in the one that has information for Homo sapiens, which is human. Some of the aliases of these genes are BRCA-I, BRCC1. So you can also type BRCC1 in your search box, or BRCA1, or FANS, or IRIS, whichever one. But let's go straight to the BRCA1. So we have a gene full report. Here it is written gene, the full report of the gene. So you can get all the information that is required. Here is a summary of the gene. You can read about it. This is the genomic context, which tells us which chromosome and the location on the chromosome where the gene is found. Now, if you come here, you're on the chromosome information of the gene. So we have the option of graphics, FASTA, and Genbank. So to get the Genbank information, I will click on Genbank. So now this has changed to Genbank. Under the Genbank, we're looking at the Homo sapiens chromosomes 17, GRCH38, P7, primary assembly. This is the ascension number, which is written as NC, the N nucleotide chromosome. But usually I prefer the NG to the NC. So let's go and look for the ascension number with the NG. So you have other information like variation, phenotypes, HIV-1 interactions, pathways, interactions, general gene information, NCBI reference sequences. Now we found an ascension number with an NG underscore. Then this is for the mRNA, which has NM underscore. For the protein, we are going to have NP for the protein. So we are still looking at the NM. This is for the RNA sequence. Let's look for the NP. Okay, yes, we have the NP besides the NM. That's the protein sequence, amino acid sequence. And before the protein amino acid sequence, we have the mRNA sequence. But let's go to the genomic sequence. So I'm going to click on the Genbank information of the genomic sequence. So now we have the NG, which takes us straight to the reference sequence gene of BRCA1, which is found on chromosome 17. So you can read more about it here on the Genbank, and the sequences, the sequence for the gene is presented below. But in the assignment, I asked you to use the FASTA format of the gene. So I'm going to click on FASTA. So now I have the FASTA sequence of BRCA1 DNA repair associated gene. So I expect you to follow the same method for the MTHFR assignment that you guys were given, and I hope to get your assignment shortly before Wednesday next week. So do have a nice day. Bye.